Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some deep green nails using my full cover stiletto tips. Going right in, all I did was just go through my box of nails and size out the tips that I would need. I will be going in with the Born Pretty solid gel to tack my nails down. I wasn't even thinking I could have used the 8-in-1 glue to glue my nails on. Totally forgot. But you guys seen me do this before. I've actually really been enjoying this product, so it's natural that I just use this instead of the new product that I have. I'm actually on my second container of this. So pretty simple, just going in and rounding out a piece, not too big, and placing it in the center of my nail. You can see there I had too much, so it was really easy for me to just pull off. So just going in, putting the nail on, and flash curing it in my lamp for 30 seconds. And after I do that, I do go back in and cure everything for 60 seconds. I had no idea what I wanted to do, but I know I never did any like red or green look for you guys. So yeah, here I'm just showing you how I just really am enjoying this product. It's almost empty. This is what the nails look like. You can totally just wear them just like this. I love these full cover tips. These are some of my tips that I use for my press-ons. After I buffed the nail up, I did go in with a lint-free wipe and wipe the nails down. I was torn between which color I should use, this pretty red color or this pretty green color. I also had a matte eggshell top coat polish. I didn't know if I was going to use that or not. And then I also had a thermal gel polish that changed color. I'm going to show you right here. It looks black, but when it is inside heat, it changed colors. I believe this changed like a smoky white color. So yeah, and here I'm just showing you the 8-in-1 glue. I'm really excited about that glue. I'll keep you guys posted. I have been using it to tack on my rhinestones for my press-ons for my clients, and I haven't had any issues, but I've only been using it for about a week. So here I'm just going in with that really pretty green color. I struggle with using gel polish. I'm great at using it if I'm doing press-ons, but when I have to freehand and paint, it's like a whole mess. So right next to me, I do have a little brush that I'll be using with a little bit of alcohol on it and just cleaning up the sides of my nail before I go in and cure it in the lamp. My goal is to upload this video on Christmas. So if you're watching this, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I am under the weather. I don't know if you guys can tell. I sound a mess. I've been really sick for like the last week or so. I just can't shake this cold. I don't have COVID. I do think I have the flu because I definitely have like body aches, you know, the whole nine. So yeah, I still wanted to make sure I uploaded something for Christmas for you guys. So here I was going to do one hand green and one hand red, but once I started using this green, it was no way I can do my other hand red. This color is stunning. These are my type of shades that I wear in the fall and the winter anyway. So yeah, just going in and cleaning the sides of my nails up. And then I do go in with 2 coats. And after the 2 coats, here it looked like I have on top coat. I don't. Born Pretty has some of the best gel polish, if you ask me, in my opinion. Here I'm actually going in with a top coat now. And you can see how stunning their clear top coat is. I do cure that in a lamp for 60 seconds. And I don't know who I think I am. I went and pulled out my little screwdriver to poke 3 holes in it to add 3 charms on the nail. This took way too long, to the point where I didn't even do it on the other hand. I want to go back on AliExpress and see if they have a bigger screwdriver. But yeah, here I'm just showing you guys that I'm going in with the 8-in-1 glue. And then I'm going to tack down a zodiac sign to my nail. I am a Capricorn, but my nails was not long enough for a Capricorn, so I just freestyled it. I was going to go in with Pisces, and then I wind up not even using Pisces. So here, the 8-in-1 glue can be used as a base gel, a nail glue, watercolor gel, nail enforcement, color mixing, and also be used as glue for rhinestones. So I'm excited about this product. If I love this as much as I love the IBD gel, it's a game changer because I like things that have brushes to them. What I did notice is it's not like a glue. You know how I had the Zule glue, and once you put it back inside the container with the brush, your chances of opening back up again was like slim to none. This is not a glue that does that. It doesn't smell gluey or not. So, like I said, I'm excited to see how that works. It did work beautifully when I used it to do my rhinestones on my press-on nails. So yeah, here I just went in with some oil and I'm just showing you what the nails look like. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.